Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're staring at the F95 error code on your Kenmore oven from 2025 and feeling frustrated, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into what this error means, why it happens, and how you can fix it yourself. Let's get started. First things first, the F95 error code on a Kenmore oven typically signals an issue with the door lock mechanism or a communication problem between the control board and the door switch. This could stem from a faulty switch, damaged wiring, or even a power surge that disrupted the oven's electronics. It's a safety feature designed to prevent the oven from operating if the door isn't securely locked, which is common in models from 2025. To troubleshoot, begin with the basics. Make sure the oven door is fully closed and latched. Sometimes, a simple misalignment can trigger this error. If that doesn't work, try resetting your oven. Unplug it from the wall for at least 5 minutes, then plug it back in and power it up. This can clear temporary glitches and reset the system. If the error persists, you'll need to inspect the door lock assembly. Carefully check for any visible damage, obstructions, or wear on the lock mechanism. You might want to use a multimeter to test the door switch for continuity. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Ensure all wiring connections are secure and free from corrosion. Refer to your oven's manual for specific diagrams to avoid any mistakes. Remember, if you're not comfortable with electrical checks or if the problem continues, it's time to call a professional technician. Tampering with appliances can be dangerous, so safety first. In wrapping up, the F95 error is usually fixable with some simple steps, saving you time and money. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.